Guys, it is Kodak Hackers, and today this is the tower explosion in Jimmy's world. So if you're wondering why I'm shouting, it's because the sound on my camera isn't the best. So yeah, so right, when are we blowing this?
Want me to do it now?
Okay, hit it. Here we go. Woohoo! Oh, it's not even moving, Jimmy. Why is it happening? Oh, my heart run.
Shit, it's one Dylan. Walk, roll.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna die.
Ram.
Oh, jeepers. Haven't even heard it blow up yet. It'll come flying over here. No wonder. Are you here, Jake?
There's just flying everywhere.
Okay, so
If it's done, have you got any more redstone? Yes. Yeah, there's some left.
oh, jeepers, it's gonna start. Oh, there's one flying there. One just flew out. Oh, that just flew up.
I'm going down this.
That's dangerous.
I'm walking about. Oh, we found a key. Throw that out.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, we'll build a better tower. This like the exact same, but like far bigger. So like the video, comment if you did enjoy this. It's nearly done, but there's still like another tower. But I'm just saying this all now.
I'm in this key. Fucking buttons everywhere.
So pretty much, you're getting raped or something. You're getting a boner up your ass. See me, you're getting a boner up your ass. You need to watch this video after. Okay, so hopefully this blows up. It's all falling, so this is not good. But it's blowing up there, and it seems to be like blowing up the tower as well, so that's good. There's a wee stick on the top. I'm not doing nothing.
Oh shit, I sort of let off.
Oh, Jesus, it's back. It's over here. It's flying over here. Oh, jeepers. The tower's not gonna make it. Oh, jeepers, I got on. Is that it? Right, so that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm getting hurt. Who's hurting me? Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks, guys.